Hello, in the next lesson of Miyagi course, welcome back. So in this lesson we will talk about how to create valuable content through your marketing. So through your content, you will become the trusted advisor to your ideal clients, and before you always ask and always give them value through your content before you ask them the sale. So it's very important first to prime it. So make it ready to give back valuable content, and I will have a separate course on how to automate this entire thing. But first, I want to teach you. First, you say so you are a best-selling copywriter. So you give him a ChatGPT role, and then you say who is his target audience. You target online professionals and small business owners, freelancers, and digital creatives. So please change it to whoever you target, and they're experienced and highly skilled professionals in their field. Okay, so I ask back if that's okay, and he confirms. Okay, list 10 content ideas launching a video. So let's say first I always start in a broad sense, just list 10 ideas. Then I will read it through, and usually it opens my mind, and therefore I'm more creative. So case studies, okay, expert interviews, okay, how to tutorials. I love these, to be honest. And what you watch now is also how to tutorial behind the scenes. I haven't thought of this. Client testimonials, of course, trends, uh, what's the software reviews. I think this I wouldn't recommend personally, but it's up to you. And live Q&A sessions, that's very good. I haven't thought of this. And success tips and hacks and webinars. So as you might see, this just gives you broad ideas, but it's very useful. So write 5 hooks uh, for a video on the power of using AI in video marketing. This is my main topic, so I want to get some ideas on how to write a hook. A hook is what it starts, what a video starts, or what message first paragraph. So something that hooks people in and drives attention. So unlock the secret viral videos. Okay, I don't necessarily like a viral, but yeah, it's up to you. It again gives some sort of variations, so you can use what you want, or you can improve. Uh, Want to triple engagement? Discover how AI is transforming video marketing. Very good. From concept to clicks. I really like this one because it's clear and concise, and it brings the message how AI is making video marketing smarter and faster. Wow, I really like the third one. Is our video marketing falling flat? So as you might see, you can read all the points, but I think it's a very good summary and very good to open your mind this way. The future is video marketing is here. Okay, write an introduction paragraph. So the first thing after the title, let's say I will use the third one. I will ask write an introduction. Again, the basic idea here is not just to copy paste mindlessly what I say and what you will find below this video, but also rewrite it based on your future clients, because the more you can speak it specifically to them in your marketing, the more they feel that okay, this is the guy who I need to ask. So the way how you attract them is through the content and through your questions. One thing I wanted to also mention is that you always give value first. I mentioned this one, but the biggest mistake what people do is that they start to talk before they ask. So usually, because they're an expert in their field, in their chosen field, therefore they want to talk about it continuously instead of asking. And the way to ask your audience is using surveys. So instead of asking, uh, instead of saying and always just giving value. First, you have to ask to know what is value and what is your avatar uh, wants to hear and read about and listen about. So it's very important to ask first and then make an offer or make a pitch. So rewrite the intro in a voice of high converting copywriter. So it means that I can read this, but to be honest, I already welcome to our latest video. I see that okay, it sounds like a basic advertisement. Let's say I'm not completely satisfied with it, and I want to improve the result again. So welcome to our game-changing video. As you might see, it improved the wording and also the usually it shortens, but you can also give it basic prompts like shorten, and it will give back a shortened version of this one, as you might see. So welcome to the power using AI in video marketing. So as you might see, it's a shorter version and it might be useful for you because I think more and more we live in this instant gratification culture and you want to come across very clearly. This is also the reason why you have to choose an avatar first and narrow your niche and ask first and give value and then ask for the sale. So not be pushy. Ultimately, this comes down to the question, the main question is what is the value? So you have to ask yourself in two different levels. First is what is value to my client? So not in my word, not in my thinking, but what is value to my client? And the second question is what is value itself in general? What do you mean by the word value? So I hope you walk around, spend this day, just ask you a few times, okay, what is value here? And you will find out that it might be different than what you were originally envisioned, and a better way to not just to guess it but openly ask it and use the survey to ask it openly. So again, I wanted to end this video this way, and thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Okay?